Hi, I have a question for you. Do you know that we have a conscious mind, we have a subconscious mind? I am sure you know about it. Do you know how our subconscious mind is being programmed? There are different ways to program. But most powerful, simplest way, easiest way to reprogram your subconscious mind is through self-hypnosis. Yes, my friend, self-hypnosis is the most powerful technique to reprogram your subconscious mind consciously. Change the negative programming. Because of that you may not be able to achieve what you wanted to achieve, and program your mind. So my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal. I am teaching hypnosis since 1977. I practice self-hypnosis every day. Now I am conducting a free workshop on self-hypnosis, a live workshop, physical workshop in Hyderabad in my office. Now it will be around 2-hour workshop, practical workshop, where you learn to go in how what is hypnosis, how it works, what is conscious mind, subconscious mind, how it is being programmed. Then you will learn how to go into self-hypnosis, power of imagination. Then you will learn how to program your subconscious mind using affirmation and visualization, and you will learn how to go into self-hypnosis instantly. Yes, my friend, go into self-hypnosis instantly. Go there, program your mind, and come out all this thing in 3 to 4 minutes. Now this workshop is free. Why free? Because I want everybody to learn this technique to reprogram their mind. Now you know, during the coronavirus and a lot of other period, a lot of things happen. People are mentally disturbed, but using self-hypnosis you can reprogram your mind and achieve what you want in your life. So if you really want to attend this workshop, it's a free workshop. It is happening in the evening between 6 to 8. We start at 6 o'clock, and now as it is happening in our office, we cannot take a lot of people. We can take only 15 people in my office, where I will be teaching you practically. You will have a chance to interact with me. The same kind of workshop, normally I charge 15,000 rupees. You are going to get it totally free, 2.5 hours workshop in Hyderabad, in Lakdiga Pool, where I live. My office is there. Once you are really interested, call on this number. We will let you know the exact date and timing. Timings are 6 o'clock, exact date, and give you the location. But only register if you are really serious, because we cannot take more than 15 people. If it goes more than 15, we may have to do it again on some other days. So if you are really interested, call right now, register right now, and see you 6 o'clock on the day of the workshop. I am going to have a lot of fun. You will learn a lot of power of your mind. So you really want to learn self-hypnosis program mind? Immediately come and attend the workshop. Register. It is free. No hidden charges. Completely free, my friend. So register right now. See you on the day of the workshop. Click on the date. Find the date there. And the timing will be 6 o'clock in the evening. Thank you very much, and see you soon personally.